The sun is here. Hello, Jumbo Moi. It's me, Hilona_KE. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. A million times. It's yet another new month, and we are starting to enjoy the sun, the month of May. So, gardening is starting officially, and therefore, we have things to do. 1, 2, 3 things to do. Before we harvest, we get the harvest, it always takes a hard work. It always takes doing the nursery beds, the preparing of the land, then the planting, the weeding. By the time you get the harvest, it will have taken hard work. Hard work pays. That's why at the end of it all, you start harvesting. But before you harvest, you have to start the sowing of the seeds. So we have sown the seeds, and now we are starting slowly to prepare the garden, the kitchen garden. And also, if you remember, we had covered our trees, and now it's time to uncover them, so that they will start to enjoy the sun also. We always cover them so that we prevent that first sun, which always burns them. But now we cover them so that they will get to enjoy, they will get to be preserved. It's like, this one is like a sunscreen. So we uncover them and then we go to the garden. And this is how we do it. You see, they're starting to grow. Here we go. And this one we keep them until next time. So gardening is starting officially. Welcome to Joy's Garden at Chochos. Yes. This is how the garden looks now, and we have to do that some reshoveling so that we prepare the preparing of the land or the garden. We start slowly by slowly. That is Joy's Corner at Chochos. And then here we have rubber berry. It's starting to grow. And then these ones, this is how the garden looks. So we will be doing slowly by slowly the changes. These are the kales of last year, but for now we'll have to do some changes here and there. Our flowers survived winter. Yeah, it is. So my people, welcome officially as we start gardening. And thank you so much for watching my videos, commenting, sharing and liking. And also put your thumbs up. Like. Someone asked me, does it cost to tila or subscribe? It does not cost anything. It's free of charge. You only buy na tila or subscribe, then you always get updates, or you also press the bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first people to watch my videos. So we are growing together step by step. It's a new month. God has blessed us with the sun, and we are going to enjoy it. Let's share positivity. Let's do good. Let's encourage each other, and let's share love as we continue with our gardening. As we explore, we inspire each other, and we have fun. I wish you all the best. So let's kick off. Welcome. They are starting to grow. You know, this will mature to be flowers. And I think there are some things as human beings, we have really taken them for granted. Especially for us who grew up in Kenya, whereby we usually wake up seeing everything green, waking up enjoying the sunshine all through, waking up to a day whereby it's 24 hours, whereby it's 12 hours night, 12 hours darkness, you know. So we really take things for granted in such a way that we never value the small things like this one, whereby they are starting to grow, you know, after the long darkness and the long winter. This one is a perfect thing to appreciate. And also the leaves have started to grow. Very beautiful, very beautiful. This one, whenever I see this starting to grow, it really means a lot. You see, they are starting to sprout here. So by the time it is this way, it's like now we are officially starting to enjoy. So let's never take things for granted. This is what I've always learned from nature, that let's never take things for granted, because you never know what tomorrow holds for you. For example, this tree now never knows that tomorrow it will shed off and winter comes. So personally, I appreciate whenever I see this one sprouting. I know that it's like it's having a new life. So let's enjoy each and every time and continue. Let's continue with our gardening, you know. Yes. This is the first time I am doing this. Let's create memories. During this springtime, there are a lot of things we do. But let me show you. Now it's time we make it's like making manure. This one is called oxa silpuri. Yeah. And we are doing with my neighbor. I have very good neighbors. So
thank you.
Let's do this. Let's do this. What an experience. I was thinking that we have to start from a bit of bigger branches, because the machine is still very strong. So you start with the big ones and then we go to the small branches. And these branches, we will use them in the garden, putting it's like a mulching, you know, mulching. And this mulching will always help the crops in conserving the water, preventing the growth of weeds, or it moderates the soil temperature. And another thing is that it always suppresses the weeds. So for me personally, I never knew that one day I will be doing these things, but because I love farming, I love farming so much. Everywhere I go, farm. Yes, this is how it goes, slowly by slowly. And let me tell you that learning new things, new skills is always what I love. Life is a learning process, and we have to embrace each and every opportunity that comes our way. Opportunities and chances comes once in life. So whenever you get an opportunity to learn something new, never let it go. Learn it, and encourage yourself that I can make it, I can do it, I can learn, you know. So wonderful, great job. Wow. You are here now. I'm learning, exploring, I tell you. Wow. So these ones are manure. These ones are manure. After cutting the branches, we use it for manure. So we put this one here. We have to give it fertilizer, you know. Then we go and make other. We go to the market and bring others. So enjoy the video until the end and enjoy it so much. And please thumbs up as we enjoy these spring videos. Yes, from me, Hilona_KE. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you. So recycling, after making all these things, it's now time also to put here. And another thing is that what I've learned here in Finland, recycling is something very important. Recycling. That's why when it comes to collecting rubbish, they always collect rubbish and put them in the right places, and they do a lot of recycling. So this This one will be used as manure, and also you can realize that we have used tires. So recycling, so that we preserve for the next generation what we can preserve. So it's time we put them here. Do you love what you are doing, or you do what you love? Wow, let's continue. Great job. Thumbs up, thumbs up. This is Ilona_KE, doing the things he loves most during my free time. And Opie, we will put all this, then there will grow flowers. It's another beautiful morning. The sun has risen up there, and we are now on the month of May. We thank the Lord so much because our trees are starting to sprout. It's starting to have a new life, you know. This is Ilona_KE. I have woken up to check what has transpired in our garden. So I am welcoming you officially. We have done some changes here and there. And because you are part and parcel of these transformations, I have decided to share this early morning with you as we enjoy the sunshine. You know that here in Finland, we have been having winter for a very long time. So when the sun comes, we know that we are dropping vitamin D slowly by slowly. So we have done some transformation here as we are starting gardening officially. So each and every time we do something small here and there. So we have brought these laticos. We are here to go and buy some soil so that we can continue with this process. And I saw that we got some porcana for last year and a bit of 3 potatoes. That was for last year. We had to remove rubber berry from there, and I put it there so that I will see where I will plant it next. And here is our Puna Vini. This one we call it Puna Vini Maria. Slowly it's starting to sprout, and then when it will come to maturity, we'll start to harvest Puna Vini Maria. And that one there, you can see it will come to maturity when it will produce purple flowers. As you can see, the way it's dead, but it has life. It will start afresh and grows. And this one also is starting to grow. We learn a lot from this gardening, because I personally, I have learned that this weather, whenever it comes to change, I have learned that to appreciate life more, because things are sprouting, new life starting. You remember our garlic? The garlic we grew? Here it is. This was the first trial. I don't know how it will turn up to be, but I see that it has grown. So for me, this was the first time growing garlic. We are yet to see what will happen. So here we don't have soil. Vielä, we have not yet gone and buy soil. Here in Finland, we buy soil. So we are going to buy soil for that place. And this is how the garden looks. Small garden, but it always produces something good. So let's continue enjoying the video up to the end. And Ilona is here to share with you these experiences. Life is what you make. Life is how you take it from. That is me. Yes. We have our trees there, and we will be using them here in the garden in one way or another. Very beautiful. So this is what we always love doing. And this, we have two different sentences. Love what you do and doing what you love. Those are two different sentences. So think which one is yours. In life, everything is always a trial and error. No one is perfect. So let me show you. Because we did with you, let's see. It was a trial and error. You remember we covered during autumn time the leaves here. and some remains of food, and we say that we are making our own manure. So it's now time to turn it over, turn it upside down. And also another thing is that doing a gardening here in Finland or any abroad country, for me, I used to know that there is no, for example, this stick for the djembe. But after exploring, I realized that there is almost everything that we need for us to do gardening. Almost everything. So without much matter ado, let's turn the soil. You see the way the leaves are? We are getting manure. Wow. It has all decomposed. Whee! Decomposition on its level. The leaves are already decomposed. So we will be using this one to do our planting. This will be our manure. And from now onwards, because it was a trial and error thing, I will be doing continuously, because I have now realized that it decomposes. We use it as manure to do the planting. So subscribe. Thank you. It's now time to do some planting. So I have some seeds here for some indigenous vegetables, very nutritious vegetables. So I want to spread them here. Isaga, we call it isaga. Ile uchungu ile, si chepkerta, na si managu. Isakchat, yes. So this is the seeds, and for us, we were told that we only spread like this, then it will grow. We are now planting saga, just like this, then it will grow, and then we will see how many days will it take it for it to grow. I think I have even put too much. Let it be enough. So this one, there we have now planted officially our isaga, which is a vegetable commonly eaten in Kenya. So it's very good for our health. It's a very nutritious vegetable. So as it grows there, let's continue with 1, 2, 3. I thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting and subscribing and sharing. Firewood. We have made some boxes here. More boxes, we transfer them. So this one we are going to go and buy soil and put them here, because here in Finland we buy soil. So if you are in Africa, Kenya, or any country where you don't buy soil, why don't you do your own kitchen gardening? You got your own organic vegetables, you know. So this is the start of kitchen farming. The snow is over. So if you see people enjoying sun, especially those who live here in Finland, leave them alone to enjoy sun, because we have put aside the vitamin D. Let's continue with our farming. Oh, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing, and liking. And from me, Hilona_KE, I'm telling you bye bye. Kaboosh! We are pushing forward. Thank you.